So I'll be showing you how to get out of battery saving mode on your Redmi Watch 4, or basically how to turn off battery saving mode. So the first thing you need to do is make sure the screen is on, and then you want to touch and hold the screen until you see a prompt to rotate the crown, and then you'll rotate the crown, and that's going to turn off battery saving mode. So it's a bit of a process. Okay, so press the crown to turn on the screen, put your finger, touch and hold the screen, just keep holding. So make sure the finger does not move on the screen. So it might take a couple of attempts. So there you go. So rotate the crown to turn off battery saver, and you have to rotate until that thing goes all the way around, and that's going to turn off battery saving mode. And now you're back to normal mode. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.